Call you Sister Carrie, but I'll never say it to a whisper. I spin your solar sister. A magnet will deliver the arrow from a quiver. Call you Sister Carrie, but you'll never hear 50 limits later. As time pulls down the fader and nibbles off the faker, roll under the breakers. I close my eyes and listen to you read the story, knowing I'll soon be left behind. So won't you read, carry sheets, carry always the missing one. Call you Sister Carrie, I won't breathe a word. The frosting on the beater, the flag drips down the meter. You thought you could defeat her. Well, you're lucky you could meet her. I close my eyes and listen to you read the story, but I'm already far behind. So won't you read Kevin Jeans, Kevin? It's the missing one. I close my life and let you teach me a new story out of the pages of your mind. The magnet will deliver. Spin my solar sister, and you can read, carry read.